Hi guys, here. Just wanted to quickly show you this video. It's probably loads of them on YouTube anyway. I bought this off Temu, 16-inch LED digital wall clock. Yeah, from Temu. Paid £12.75 for it. Just a quick unboxing, see what you get. So literally you got your tape measure for marking it into the wall. You've got a USB lead. It's quite long. Say about 3-4 meters. Got screws, wall plug, and you got these little things here, a bit like hammer it into the wall, and then the clock catches on there and there, so you've got a choice between either hammering the little nails into the wall, or you got the wall plugs, you get that as well with there. And you also got remote control, so you can set the time, etc. Okay, let's get it out of this box. Packed up well. There's nothing else in there. This is the boy and the girl. All wrapped. Warning thing about the batteries. Then you've got instructions in lots of different languages. Two lots of instructions with all the languages going. And I think near enough, the one I'm looking at is the British one, and here it is. On the back you've also got manual controls, your function set, plus and minus. There's a little button battery in there that holds the memory when it's switched off, and also you got your 5-volt in USB lead connector there as well, so literally connects into there like that, bang, job done. And then obviously you have to plug this end then into your USB plug socket, like a phone charge or something like that. There's like a screen protector on there as well that you can just peel off. And get it all set up and you can see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when this is all set up. The green bits is to highlight like the day. Top right you got your temperature, bottom right is the month, the day of the month, and then obviously your time, and you can choose between 12 and 24 hours. So yeah, it's really good. And another cool thing about it as well, when it gets dark, it dims as well, and then when the room is light, it lights up, so there's some sort of sensor in there as well, which is really cool. And yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, £12.75 from Temu. I think eBay is selling them for $14.99 including delivery. The only downside is obviously it's not battery operated. You have to use USB, 5 volts, plug into your phone charger. But like I said, it has a button battery in the back, so when you do switch it off at night and you switch it back on, the time still stays. It holds the time, the memory. But to be able to view it, obviously you need to have it plugged in to your USB. So there you go. Hope this helped anybody else who fancies buying one of these. I would definitely recommend it.